Good day guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I'm showing you how to set a live wallpaper on PC and laptop. So for this you can just use this very simple app which is called Lively Wallpaper. You can just download it from the store. I'm just going to open this link in the store and download the app on my PC. Press on get and let's wait for the installation. Alright, so now it's ready. Open it up and also it's going to be running in here in the hidden apps. So you can just maximize it, and let me just add my own. So you just press on plus and add a video file that you wish to set as your desktop wallpaper. So for example, in my case, I can just download this rain wallpaper. I go free download. I'll go for 4K, why not, and download. So it's going to be 110 megabytes, as you can see. And now let us set it. All right, back to the app, set the wallpaper, and press OK. And now it's going to be applying it. And now if I minimize the window, as you can see, now my live wallpaper is successfully set and I have some beautiful rain all over my screen now. Enjoy guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.